Hello friends, today we are downloading Drupal. Please open www.drupal.org. After that, click on download and extend link. If you want to download latest version, then click on download Drupal zip button. Please click on read release notes. After that, please click on releases link. It will redirect to all the previous releases for Drupal core. If you want to download specific Drupal 8 version, then just select Drupal 8.x and click on apply. It will list all the Drupal 8 versions. After that, please click on zip file. It will download that specific Drupal version. Thanks for watching video.